Same man, you are on set.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Everything is on process.
Yeah.
You may not know some guys.
Something is cooking.
Something is what?
Something is cooking.
Mad what?
Mad movie. Mad
Everything
crew.
is on process.
Mad crew. This is Kusu Hini behind us. Mad.
Yeah, you are who?
Director of pornography.
Director of what? Director of pornography. I was saying, we are alive. We are for.
And do people could go and say, of which or come by and see him. Now just see now when you're long distance.
As it's telling say.
I'm looking hard.
Your friend is say, Rebecca. Your friend is say.
And I'm looking at the block with the
Nipa na okoba no so anya long distance. Your friend is
say. Do people as we are the two food.
Hey,
Kenya son now.
Kenya son now.
As the municipal glass also to play.
I was your family man come you. Live blah.
Live video.
I was so long distance.
We are shooting Mad. You understand?
The producer of Mad.
The producer of Mad.
Yes.
That's me. Yeah? Watch out for Mad. Everybody is mad.
Executive producer is mad. DOP is mad.
DOP is mad.
Light person is mad.
Everybody there is mad.
The artists are mad.
Everybody is mad.
Pressure.
And I do open the face. I feel their friend also the number you are calling will be again.
Oh yeah. I feel wrong. What is the number you are calling? I feel right. I was there for a fire kakra and then we are processing.